Sha-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na.
Well, congratulations, you found our YouTube channel. I'm Laura with Jot Tittle Vintage Typewriters, and I wanted to welcome you to our channel. And here you will find videos, tutorials to help you if you have a typewriter and you want to know how to use it, or maybe you're just a typewriter enthusiast and you just kind of want to check out what goes through our shop. I try to do tutorial videos on a wide variety of different typewriters. The big ones obviously are Smith Corona and Royal, Olympia, Underwood, and some of those like that. But we're glad you're here. If you'll notice on my playlist, I've organized the tutorials by brand and by decade, and that'll help you find maybe something in particular that you're looking for. Now, I do recommend watching multiple videos. I always say something a little bit different. And if you have questions, feel free to comment. I only check them about once a week or so please be patient as I check the comments. But I'm glad you're here, and I hope you find this page helpful. And for those of you who've been around for a while, you'll notice I'm in the process of updating our website. Be sure to visit our website at Jot Tittle Vintage Typewriters. Also, make sure you subscribe, like, and get notifications every Saturday morning. And usually it's Friday night, just so you know. We have new typewriter listings and typewriter tutorials that come out. And YouTube is the first place to be notified of that. All right. Thanks for being here, and happy typing.